And in order to unlock these features, you simply go to YouTube, click your profile picture, then click YouTube Studio. Then what you're going to want to do is go to the left-hand side and go all the way down to the bottom and click this button that says Settings right here. From here then, you simply click Channel and then go over to Feature Eligibility. From here, as you can see, all the standard features will be unlocked by default, but there's some key features that you really need that the only way to get them is to verify your phone number. And that's really easy. You just click Verify Phone Number, they'll send you a text, and boom, you'll be verified and ready to go with uploading custom thumbnails, which are images that appear on your videos that make it more likely for people to click your videos, and really it's a must-have in my opinion. And the final advanced features that you can unlock are only unlocked if you do one of these things. And those include video verification, where you actually get on camera and do what YouTube asks you to do, or uploading a valid identification like a driver's license or a passport, or getting some channel history. And this is very easy to do. Typically, it takes a couple weeks to a couple months. You just upload videos on your YouTube channel and you can unlock all of these features, which include being able to put links in your description, being able to upload more videos, and everything else. And it also opens up the opportunity to apply for monetization, which allows you to make money every single time an ad is seen on your videos. And I personally make tens of thousands of dollars per month just from ad revenue from my different YouTube channels, so I do recommend getting access to these features when you can.